Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we will show you how you can utilize the lens correction feature or tool in your projects in Photopea. So let us get started right away. Head over to Photopea and let's assume, for example, you're working on a project like that with a photo or image like this. So what you want to do, guys, is select your photo image to apply the lens correction to. After that, click on filter here at the top, and from that menu below select lens correction. And after that, simply play around with these two sliders here, amount and scale. For example, guys, you may distort your image or photo like, I don't know, for example, as if you were using a camera. So let me give you an example. So if I move that slider here to the right, you will see that the image gets distorted more and more the more you get to the outer parts of that or to the edges of that image. Or if I move that slider here to the left, you will see the opposite effect, just like that. So you may play around with it as if you were playing around with your camera setup, and do the same with your scaling here below. And yeah, simply play around till you find your best setup. So let me go, for example, with a distortion effect like this here. So it looks pretty cool, like, you know, like a distorted zoom in effect, for example. So that's how you can play around with this, guys. If you're content, simply confirm by clicking on OK here, and if you're not content with results, simply click on reset to go back to the default setup and close that window. And that's how you apply a lens correction effect to your images on Photopea. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.